Westermans here again with another sling beam rotator. Again, this one's a 4-ton version. Other versions are available upon request. It has a wireless pendant, or you also have the controls actually on the cabinet if required. The model is an FR704, working on the band system. This one's adjustable height through the pendant. Obviously also got your rotation, both forwards and reverse. Supply voltage is 380 and 400 volts. Other voltage is available upon request. Hydraulic connection between the two. These are actually destined for a customer. More available details on westermans.com. So please drop us an email if required. Thank you for looking.